Got chia seeds? You won't believe for quick and easy breakfast you can make. Stick till the end for the one that might be your new favorite. Saffron chia pudding. Add 2 tablespoons chia seeds to half a cup water and let them soak. In a cup, mix half cup Greek yogurt, a quarter teaspoon cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon honey, a few strands of saffron, and the soaked chia seeds. Stir till creamy. Spoon into a glass. Then top with blueberries and saffron, a royal yet healthy dessert, rich in fiber, antioxidants, and flavor. Fig and chia overnight oats. Soak 2 tablespoons chia seeds in half cup water. In a jar, add half cup rolled oats, half cup low-fat milk, a quarter cup Greek yogurt, half teaspoon cardamom, and the soaked chia seeds. Mix well, refrigerate overnight. Slice fresh figs. Layer them on top. Creamy, wholesome, and packed with protein, fiber, and flavor. No bake chia biscuit pudding. Soak 2 tablespoons chia seeds in half cup water. And the soaked chia seeds. Add half cup low-fat milk, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, and 1 tablespoon honey. Stir until smooth. Crush 4 digestive biscuits into a glass. Spoon in the chia chocolate mix and garnish with fresh strawberries. Easy to make, delicious to eat. Pomegranate glow pudding. Soak 2 tablespoons chia seeds in half a cup water. And the soaked chia seeds. Mix with half cup low-fat milk, a quarter cup Greek yogurt, and 1 teaspoon honey. Chill overnight. Spoon into a glass and top with juicy pomegranate seeds. A sweet and healthy treat you'll love. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a recipe. Great, now that you're part of the Light Kitchen family, let's get cooking.